Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Tokyo Rose cocktail. Now it's made with sake, and sake is normally served very hot in little cups like we have in front here. But today I'm going to teach you something really special and serve you a cocktail cold. We're going to shake and strain, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. Now start out with a cocktail glass. We're going to chill that. A little ice, a little water, get that nice and cold. All right. Grab your shaker tin. Ice that down. And start out with your sake. An ounce of sake. There you go. An ounce of vodka. Nice premium vodka. And an ounce of Midori melon liqueur. This is a really nice taste. Very sweet. There you go. No juices. You just want to grab your shaker glass. Whoa, I got that. Shake it up, nice and cold. Grab your strainer. Can I hit that one more time? And if you drop that, sit down, I got this. There's another way to strain. You gotta always be ready to handle adversity. And you have your really good looking Tokyo Rose. Remember, this is a sipping drink. You can smell that. Very nice. Remember, alcohol is one thing that doesn't mix with driving. So please, enjoy, and we'll see you next time.